Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a controller to your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First you're gonna have to make sure that your controller is charged enough and to connect your controller you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode. Now if you're using a DualSense controller, so a PS5 controller like this, in order to put it into pairing mode you're gonna have to press and hold the PS button and the create button at the same time until the lights of your controller start throbbing like this. Then you're gonna have to go to the control center on your laptop. It's located right here. Just click on one of these three icons. Make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled and then click the arrow icon next to it, to your Bluetooth icon, and then select DualSense controller from the list. And once it says connected, that means that your controller is successfully connected to your laptop. Now, if you are using an Xbox controller, which I unfortunately don't have around, in order to connect it to your computer, you're gonna have to press the Xbox button that is located right here to turn it on. Once it's turned on, you're gonna have to press and hold the pair button that is located in this spot. So just hold it down. The lights of your controller will start throbbing, and then you will either receive a notification in the bottom right corner of your laptop saying that the Xbox controller is trying to connect to your PC. If you just click on this notification, your device will start pairing with your controller. And if not, you can still go to the Bluetooth menu and find your Xbox controller in here and click connect next to it. Now, if you want to disconnect your controller from your device, you're gonna have to go to more Bluetooth settings and tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your controller, and then select remove device. And this will disconnect your controller from your laptop. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.